Amber Heard and Johnny Depp announced defamation suit settlement. The ex-defamation couple's lawsuits against one another are being resolved, the actors Johnny Depp and Amber Heard said on Monday. The stars, whose unhappy marriage was exposed in voluminous, at times gruesome testimony accusing one another of verbal and physical abuse earlier this year in a widely reported trial in Virginia, have reached a settlement for $1 million, according to a statement from Depp's counsel. Depp filed a libel lawsuit against Heard after she referred to herself in a December 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post as a public figure symbolizing domestic abuse. Even though Depp's name was not mentioned in the op-ed, his attorneys claimed it made clear reference to abuse claims Heard made against Depp throughout the divorce proceedings. Heard claimed in her lawsuit that Depp had defamed her by calling her assault claims a hoax when one of his attorneys made that statement. Heard was sentenced to pay the Pirates of the Caribbean actor $10.35 million in June as a result of the public trial that revealed the details of their marriage. Heard's countersuit was also given a $2 million verdict by the jury. The jury's verdict was appealed in various ways by both sides. Heard stated that the settlement wasn't an admission of guilt in an Instagram post on Monday morning, calling it an opportunity to emancipate myself from something I attempted to leave over 6 years ago and on terms I can agree to. Attorneys representing Depp, Benjamin Chu and Camille Vasquez, said in a statement on Monday that the agreement will officially close the door on this sad chapter for Mr. Depp. According to a source close to Depp, he will donate the $1 million to a number of charity that will be revealed later. Heard said there was a considerable deal of contemplation before deciding to settle with Depp. "I have not admitted anything. This is not a sign of weakness," in her statement, she said. "My voice is not subject to any limitations or gags going forward." If Heard repeats her accusations against Depp, the jury's verdict might potentially be used against her, according to the person close to Depp. Heard stated on Monday that a retrial would be the optimal conclusion even if her appeal was successful. Heard said, "I just can't go through that a third time." When Depp unsuccessfully sued British newspaper The Sun for libel, she had previously testified in the UK over her allegations of domestic abuse. In that 2020 case, the judge came to the conclusion that Depp had indeed mistreated Heard on numerous occasions. Heard stated in her statement on Monday that she had lost faith in the American justice system, and that she was protected in the UK from having to share the most embarrassing parts of her testimony with the world's media. In the US, Heard said, "My unguarded testimony served as entertainment and social media fodder. I was exposed to a form of humiliation that I simply cannot relive." Comparing the two trials, Heard stated,